For this circuit lesson, we're going to be using this little electronic component called a potentiometer. It's got a little arrow on it. So find this in your kit. They all look kind of different. This is the one that comes in our kit, and this is what it looks like. On page 20, it says potentiometer is a 3-pin variable resistor. When powered with 5 volts, the middle pin outputs a voltage between 0 and 5 volts, depending on the position of the knob on the potentiometer. Internal to the trip is a single resistor and a wiper, which cuts the resistor in two and moves to adjust the ratio between both halves. So a potentiometer works like a volume knob on a stereo or a dimmer switch on a light switch. So this is going to be the first component that we plug in to our breadboard. Okay, so power up your board. And the middle pin is going to go, so the middle pin, make sure they're nice and straight, don't bend these. The middle pin is going to go into E10. Let's see if I can get a nice shot of that. E10, the upper pin's E9, the other ones, you see that? Yeah. You're going to plug that straight down in, just like that. Okay, you can't really see, you can't see at all where they're in, so that's why you have to like look at it like that and then plug it in. All right. For this circuit, we're going to need a blue LED this time. So find a blue LED. You're going to use your jumper wires. So get a couple jumper wires. And we're going to be using the 330 ohm resistor, which is this one right here, the orange, brown, gold. Okay. So go ahead and plug in the LED positive leg into A1. The resistor is going to go in B2 and A9. Okay, your positive wire is going to go into E1 and 5 volts. And your negative wire is going to go into A10 and ground. Okay, so your LED will turn on, but you have to, the potentiometer is like a knob, so you're going to spin that in the left and right direction, and depending on the direction, it's going to get dimmer or brighter. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, see how bright that got? So that's all the way up, and then all the way down. I just think this thing is so neat. The camera's not really picking up. Let's see. So if I increase the brightness, there you go. Decrease the brightness. It's going to look a lot more dramatic in front of you. The camera doesn't really, it's hard to tell. There we go. Yeah. Okay, so this is a type of resistor. It's a variable resistor, and it's called a potentiometer. So wire up this circuit for this lesson.